This is done on the Carvera. We're both Star Trek fans, and we're going to Star Trek conventions. I come from additive manufacturing, like getting the object file or the SDL and just uploading it. And doing that makes it a whole lot easier than learning the cam stuff by myself, because that is a steeper learning curve for the cam. The fact that I can email you guys in the middle of the night and get a response the same night actually cuts down a lot of my development times. This is my cat, Tiger. He passed away 2 years ago, and I had over 100 Polaroid photos of him, and I needed an elegant way to display them. And so I designed a Polaroid holder, which can display, but it can also store 100 Polaroid photos. And it happens to be same exact size as business cards as well.
Look at you.
So
I didn't plan to have that business cards here, to be honest.
Oh, right.
No,
Yeah. It's not totally ad hoc.
Yeah.
So each one that I sell on Etsy comes with a picture of my cat as well.
That's cute.
It's dedicated to him. So
that's very cute.
Tiger 3DS on Etsy, if that's something. Tiger 3DS.
So maybe tell us a bit. This is 3D printed, obviously.
This is 3D printed, yeah.
So what else have you actually made on your Carvera? Like, what cool things do you
the
make?
Carvera actually let me see if I can find a photo. I've been doing, so we're both Star Trek fans, and we're going to Star Trek convention. One of the things I wanted to do was experiment with multi-material. So getting stuff that's resin as well as 3D printed. It'll take me a second to find this.
The one that you showed me, this the Star Wars.
Oh yeah, the Star Wars one. Let's see there. This is I have a sci-fi themed room, and one of the things I wanted to do is on the wall have a droid port, and so got some ideas online and then designed my own droid port. This is just aluminum. I think it was a 4x4 square, and then a thicker one on top, epoxied the two, but this is done on the Carvera.
Very nice.
Still a little rough, but working on it and evolving the design as I go.
It looks very Star Warsy.
Yeah, it does. And one of the things I like about your system is that because I come from additive manufacturing, like getting the object file or the SDL and just uploading it, and doing that makes it a whole lot easier than learning the cam stuff by myself, because that is a steeper learning curve for the cam. So very happy with that. I think support's amazing. The fact that I can email you guys in the middle of the night and get a response the same night actually cuts down a lot of my development time. So
that's great to hear.
Yeah.